Ideogram now has a brand new tier for their subscriptions. So if we come over here to the subscription plans, we can see what this looks like. So here's the new one. I think it's been here for about a week now. So previously we only had the free plan, the basic plan and the plus. But now there is Pro, and for monthly it's going to cost $60 per month, and annually is going to be $48 per month at that. Now, if you create a lot with Ideogram, then the Pro plan is going to be your best option, because on the Plus plan we get 1,000 prompts, which is around 4,000 images, but on the Pro plan we get 3,000 prompts, which is 12,000 images, which is an awful lot. Now, I'm actually considering buying the Pro plan because I've been creating a lot with Ideogram recently, and I've been running through my 1,000 prompts, so much so that I've actually been using the priority queue top up, which is $4 for 100 prompts. So with the Pro plan, if I do decide to purchase, I'll get 3,000 prompts, which is 12,000 images. But nonetheless, I thought I'd just let everyone know that they do now have a new tier, which is Pro, where you can create even more designs using Ideogram. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch my Ideogram playlist.